Rooted firmly in the fertile ground of automotive suspension systems, remains steadfast in its mission to put customers as the center, leverage technology as the driving force, and uphold manufacturing as the soul of its endeavors. On this journey of passion and craftsmanship, we have poured our hearts into creating a state-of-the-art SENA certified testing center at the forefront of the industry. Spanning nearly 10,000 square meters, our testing center now encompasses comprehensive testing capabilities, including metal materials, polymer materials, component performance, strength and durability, and full vehicle road simulations. Each part produced under our care carries the weight of our customers' trust and expectations. Gang's National Suspension Testing Center has not only earned the trust and certification of top domestic automakers, but also relies on more than 160 national invention patents to lead the industry with unique innovation and exceptional expertise. It is here, in this sanctuary of quality, where every product takes its first breath, transforming from concept to reality. Each test injects smarter, safer qualities into our products, ensuring that every item leaving our factory stands the test of time and the rigors of the road. With unwavering determination, we strive to become the front runner in China's intelligent suspension systems industry. We implement a strategy of excellence, etching precision into the DNA of our products. Data flows like lifeblood, connecting every link in the intelligent manufacturing process. Through the Mass Intelligent Manufacturing System, CODE has built a production framework that is data-driven and fully traceable throughout its life cycle. This ensures that every component is flawlessly accurate and every decision confidently efficient. At CODE, manufacturing is not just a task, it is a responsibility. Our quality commitment is embedded in every phase of the supply chain, from material selection and component processing to final assembly and delivery. Every step adheres rigorously to certified quality management standards. Modernized, large-scale production is our goal, while greater intelligence, safety, and efficiency remain our ultimate aspirations. With continuous advancements in production technology, we have achieved a standardized mass production while ensuring reliability and safety. Every piece of equipment we invested in and every production line we operate guarantees the quality of our products. Through comprehensive quality control systems, we strive to deliver each product to our customers with the highest standards. CODE has adopted multiple technical measures to reduce energy consumption and costs while achieving resource regeneration and reuse. In waste gas, wastewater, and solid waste treatment, the company enforces strict measures to meet regulatory discharge standards. Looking ahead, we plan to expand the proportion of renewable energy used in our operations, aiming for carbon neutrality in our factories. From production to after-sales service, we are not merely manufacturing products, we are forging bonds of trust with our customers. Every order becomes a fulfillment of our promise to our clients. Rooted in China, serving the global, we are dedicated to providing unrelenting energy for the industry, society, and the world. The future is a chapter we will write together.